how much we need to learn. And with this mentality, teach the good and learn from the best. That's the motive of National Education Forum. Because nobody can challenge that I know everything. Teach the good and learn from the best. So in our forum, we have everybody are good, better, best, but we are not grading them in any scale of gradation. Conversate in a proper manner. When we are doing a conversation that is for some benefit, कुछ अच्छे विचारों से जब हम कोई चर्चा करते हैं तब इस तरह के विचार आते हैं और नए नए आइडियाज़ उत्पन्न होते हैं. एंड आई हैव अ हैबिट ऑफ राइटिंग ईच एंड एवरीथिंग वॉट एवर कम्स इन टू माई माइंड. आई थिंक दैट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट बिकॉज आवर माइंड is really unique and only human beings have this capability. What National Education Forum is presently working upon? National Education Forum has come up with EdTalk India Season 2. Season 1 we have performed in Kolkata. That was quite successful. Yesterday's program was also very successful. A few speakers were left for 28th because 27th all the slots were booked. So 28th, today is 28th of July, you are the new speakers, but you are not new to National Education Forum. Since we have joined hands with you, you are our members. I'd like to request Dr. Professor Dimple Goyal ma'am to please collect her National Education Forum ID card. She is our state coordinator from Maharashtra. Anil Firozia ji. He is a politician. He is from Bharatiya Janata Party and his constituency is Tarana in Ujjain. We'll be having Darshan Singh Chaudhary, Member of Parliament from Hoshangabad, the constituency, and he is from Bharatiya Janata Party. Here, we are talking about National Education Forum and it's all about education. So, party and politics is a part of our nation, but it's not the nation. So we'll be talking about the nation. And yesterday also, as I spoke about, that we want one nation, one education. And nobody is talking about it. एक राष्ट्र में एक शिक्षा नीति हो जिसको लागू करने के लिए सरकार ने NEP गाइडलाइंस लाया और ये NEP गाइडलाइंस को वास्तविक रूप में कार्यकारी करने के लिए what is the exact role of NEF? That is the bridge between policies and implementations. सरकार policies बनाती है, सरकार के लोग policies बनाते हैं. It's a handful of people who are making the policies, but to implement them in the grassroots level, there comes National Education Forum, because this is working as a catalyst, as a bridge between the policies and the implementation. ये बैंक ऑफ आइडियाज़ के बारे में आपको कल जो हमारे साथ थे उनको पता है कि we are having in our this project book, in this you will be getting all the 30 projects on what we are working upon. In this we are having, the state coordinators are having a responsibility. Yesterday we spoke to several state coordinators and today also we'll have one-to-one meeting with them regarding the NTET exam, National Teachers Eligibility Test, that is Teachers Olympiad. So why only students will give exam? जब एग्ज़ाम लेने का कैपेसिटी है तो देने का भी कैपेसिटी होना चाहिए. And this upgradation and updation program for the teachers, National Education Forum for the first time in India is coming up with Teachers Olympiad. In Bengal, already we have started the procedure, and with the help of our state coordinators, with our national coordinators, we are going to do it with near about 10 lakh teachers throughout the country. Survival of the fittest is the key of our culture. We know that Jangal Raj hai ye, hai na? Children will not give proper respect to the teachers only due to as they are teachers. They have several questions which teachers can't answer. So that's where this upgradation program is coming into. Let the teachers evaluate themselves, and this evaluation program we are giving all the papers to the different departments so that this exam continues every year, and every year, each day we are learning. So each day it should be an evaluation. The teachers, while taking the examination of the students, must be aware that their examination is also coming. Sudha Murthy madam also placed this statement in Parliament that teachers should be evaluated, because after they enter into a system, they are not undergoing any sort of examination after they come out or get retired. So every year, Teachers Olympiad. National Education Forum brings that.